My name is Ketkar. I am looking after this division for last 15 years. I have been in this industry for 25 years. In regarding Bala Industries, we are having one-stop window. We have got everything related to poultry industry, from hatchery to farm level. All the equipments we are having, and we manufacture all these products in European standards. Our company has established in 1988, and we are there for almost 30 years here. In these exhibitions, we are consecutively taking participation from last 13 years. The response this year, actually, poultry industry is going through very bad phase. Till today, we are having a little bit less response, but we hopefully that we will hope tomorrow onwards there will be a good response.